What's going on, everybody? Connor Speed6 here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we are going to get back to some reaction videos. We are going to be taking a look at some of my absolute favorite cars of all time in the 90s or Group A rally cars. Now, I did find a video on YouTube that was basically just the highest viewed video showing these 90s or Group A rally cars. So we're going to jump on this one, take a look and see what this is all about. Anyone who's been around my channel knows that I am a huge fan of 90s rally, as I was born in 1984, grew up, throughout the 90s and got to see these cars, a lot of them in person. Of course, not the actual WRC cars, but the road variant versions of these cars. So I'm a bit excited about this. Some of the best rally cars on the planet, in my opinion, were produced and raced during the 90s. So this is going to be exciting for me. Apologize in advance for the gruff sounding voice I've got going on here. I have been a bit sick. I'm not really sure what's going on, so I think I'm going to go get tested for COVID here very soon. But we'll see. Otherwise, feeling pretty good. Hoping to getting back to recording on Forza Horizon 4 very soon. If you're new to my channel, I am a gaming YouTuber. I create videos on games such as Forza Horizon 4, Dirt 5, Dirt Rally, The Crew 2, and things like that. So if you are a gamer and enjoy racing games as well, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Along with that, please be sure to leave a like and drop me a positive comment down in the comments section below. Alright, so let's jump into this video. It looks like it is by, I'm gonna probably butcher this dude's name, Rosmanau, it looks like. But we are watching WRC Rally Group A cars on Tarmac, speed and pure engine sound in HD. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Oh, there we go. That's the GOAT right there. Listen to it. Oh, the Galant VR4. Celica ST185. Amazing rally car as well. Oh, look out now. Wait, is that an early Evo? Yeah, that's one of the early Evos, I believe. Pause for just a second. I'm assuming we're not going to be seeing much of the ST205 because it was a cheater car. But that ST185 is a stellar machine, and it is an absolutely legendary car as well. It deserves far more credit than it got. It deserves far more wins, but I mean, look at the competition it was up against. My favorite paint from the 90s right there, that Repsol paint. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to correct myself from earlier. It was not, of course, the Galant VR4. That was the, I'm not sure which Evo it is, but it was an early 90s Evo. Someone please let me know which Evo that was down below. Thank you. The crowds in the 90s were still it, man. Whoa, watch out. Woo, that was close. Oh. God, the sounds. Oh, little three-wheel motion there. Okay. God, I love the RS Cosworth. I've actually seen that clip a few times. Oh! Woo! Hey, he is sending it. He is fully sending it. That was amazing. I gotta go back and just give a little respect. Right here. So we're gonna see the camera zoom in, of course, down there on the stage. The C's are gonna sort of part. He's gonna take someone's kneecaps off and, of course, completely just send it around the next corner as well. Right here. Watch out on the outside. Amazing. A little too early on the power. Another three-wheel into the ditch. Let's go. Let's go. Oh! Again! That's incredible. Oh, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Make it off the stage, bro. Hey, this dude right here. Get out the corner, bro. That's an easy cut. But he didn't want to kill you. He didn't want to take your knees off. Get off the stage, bro. Oh. Same sequence of corners here. Does he cut? No, it didn't really take a cut. Thought you'd take a cut right there. Oh! This makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. Now listen, I love all of rally racing. I love everything from Group B, of course, before that, Group 4 to current WRC cars. But to see these cars that I grew up with just absolutely throwing themselves around these super tight and twisty stages, and the crowds. Look at this. Look at this. That's hundreds of people in one corner on this rally stage. I'm not sure exactly what stage this is, so somebody, if you know that, please drop it below as well. It looks like all these clips are sort of from the same stage, or same event. I'm not sure about the exact stage, if they're from the exact same stage, but they're from the same event, it looks like. But God, to see the huge crowds like this, it really makes me want to go back to when rally racing really was greater than what it is today, and more respected and more loved. I miss it. I miss it. But this is amazing. This takes me back, and it's giving me goosebumps at some points. I'm absolutely loving this. Oh, the flames coming out. Oh. That Delta Integrale looks planted. Nice zoom on the camera there. It never looks like... It never looked like it was gonna wreck, ever. It's just perfectly planted. God, I love the sound of that celica. Oh my God, it sounds so good. I love the sound of the ST-185. But damn, going back to that Lancia, the Delta Integrale S4, or the Lancia Delta Integrale, that car looks like there's no way you could wreck it. It looks so perfectly planted going around these corners on this stage. Man, somebody actually commented on my Group B reaction video that, you know, something along the lines of, like, now they make generic cars for Chrysler. And I'm like, it is so true. Whatever happened to the Lancia of old, the mighty Lancia? From the Stratos to the 037 to the S4 to the Delta Integrale. Why can't they build more cars like that? I mean, these cars are absolute rally legends. Some of the most successful rally cars to ever touch the dirt or the tarmac. Now we're driving little weakling cars. Come on, guys. Get it together, Lancia. Let's go. Now see, that's where that Lancer, that Evo, went off a little bit earlier, and it looks like that Delta went through there significantly faster and had no problems keeping all four tires planted on the ground and accelerating out of that corner. But again, the people are killing me. I love it. Such an iconic car, an iconic paint. Man. Oh, that was nice. Cosworth looks playing it too. Whoa, get out the way. That Evo looks so much fun to drive though. All right, so quick question. I know about rally racing. I love rally racing. It's one of my favorite sports on the planet. Excuse me, but a question. Similar to today, we've got two different cars. Like, for example, Hyundai, Toyota. They all have their two different cars on the grid for the stage. Was it the same, you know, back in the day for like 90s? Like, for example, that's got the top tip and the Repsol Delta Integrale. It looks like two separate liveries, but the same events. So I'm just curious. I would assume that each manufacturer had two different entries for each rally event, but I don't know 100%. So just let me know if you would. These pop-up headlights, man. They get me. Love this. That ST-185 is the best sounding car out of all of them that I'm hearing here. Absolutely fantastic. Fantastic power unit. Yeah, much cleaner. Dude, that Delta was untouchable. This is some impressive camera work, you know, for these guys with homemade cameras. Homemade. Cameras from home, not professional. Oh, that was beautiful. That was on the edge. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. That was awesome. So this was again a video by Rosmanau, it looks like. Big channel, obviously, with lots of different content on there, so be sure to go ahead and head over and support his channel, or their channel. I'm not sure, of course, who they are. That was amazing though. God, it took me back to my childhood seeing those cars. I think one of the coolest things about that video is, you know, the footage, a lot of it was pretty clear, so you could see the driver really kind of flicking the car in to get the weight transfer to the outside when they were going around these corners. So that was really, really neat to see them really working the car rather than, I don't know, rather than just, you know, flicking a paddle shifter and just smoothly braking and accelerating in and out of the corner. You know, these guys and girls, these men and women are truly wheeling these cars and willing these cars to the finish. So again, always impressive to watch rally cars, especially in real life, and going back and doing it, you know, in the 80s, 90s. I need to get back to a good 70s rally. I may jump into one of those next, some 70s rally cars, and see if I can find a good video for that. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. Please be sure to leave me a like, leave a positive comment down below as well. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more weekly content like this, as well as weekly content from the gaming portion of my channel. I would love to have you guys stick around for more of that. But again, a lot of fun. Glad I did this. Let me know your guys' thoughts below. But that is going to do it for me today. As always, I am Connor Speed 6. Until next time, much love, everyone. See you soon.